How's it going, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we are doing another portrait session. Right now I'm out with Locke. We are taking some pictures with the Bronica SQA, some more film today. I'm gonna shoot Kodak Portra 400, and right now we have a scenery sort of thing that we're gonna try and capture some fall colors right now because it's a very orange, very brown, so we're gonna try and pair those colors together. I know it's January right now, but California, we don't really get winter. We get, if anything, a very mild fall, so that's what we're gonna try and play with today. We got 12 shots. I don't know if I'm gonna use them all, but we'll see, because with film I kind of try and shoot less photos in general anyways, but hopefully we can come out with some really good images. Again, bro?
Again, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Where's my phone for photo? Where do I take photos on your phone too?
Do you need some?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's good alright.
Oh yeah, this is good. This one, I'm gonna rate this roll at 400. Okay. Look not at me. Look at the angle, like that way or something.
Oh, like this side?
Yeah. Or actually the other way. Look this way. Let's try this. Okay, cool.
Let me just see out there.
Oh yeah, dude.
I think it would be a cool session if you set up the, and this is just like an idea for later, but what if you had like the camera, and we had like a spot we were filming at,
Oh,
and then you
yeah.
like set the camera, so it kind of has like a time lapse of us doing like all that shit.
Yeah, we could do that too.
Like, you know, I would spend like more than 10 minutes in this spot. Alright.
Okay.
14?
Just like how you did it that time.
Yeah.
Let me get focused first. Oh, this is gonna look so sick.
Yeah.
Stand a little bit to your.
When I throw it, where do you want me to look?
You can look out that way a little bit.
Anything?
Yeah. So scoot a little bit to your left. Yeah. No, right. Right there. Perfect. And then when you throw it, you can look at the sun or something like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. We'll have to see. Should we go down?
Yeah. You want to get a lead going photo?
I'm alright.
I'm glad it
Maybe a
was
portrait.
like, I was
Yeah.
directly in the sun.
It's nice on the palette too.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is dope. It's just littered in leaves, bro. Okay, the focus should be the leaves. There we are. Yeah, I'm gonna try and get. I want to see if we can get you in with like some of the glowing leaves. See how they're glowing right there? I want to see if we can like get like some light there. A little bit, yeah. This is nice. Yeah. Oh, you're too short. I'm just kidding. Maybe against this tree, yeah. Oh, yo. Might have to go Look out again.
Towards the center, right?
Right there is good. I'll let you know. A little bit more out. Yeah. Alright. Oh, damn. That's sick.
Ooh, I kinda like this one.
You know what trees these are, dude?
Yeah, I'm not really like familiar with the
Let me know if a car's coming.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it. Dope. I think we might end up going through a whole roll today. It's crazy. Yeah. The film's already You know, like the throwing one where you threw it up?
Yeah.
But instead, I think we'll get better light back at that corner.
Yeah, back to the beginning.
But like,
over here,
yeah. But instead of me taking a shot of you throwing it up in the air, I'll get the aftermath, so pose after while it's falling down.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like,
yeah.
So throw it up in the air, but then immediately pose.
Yeah, and then immediately like you do your pose and I'll take the shot with all the leaves around.
Yeah.
We'll try that, see how it looks. I'm pretty sure that'll be sick.
Yeah.
Pretty sure that'll be sick.
Just like this one, like.
Yeah, just like.
I kind of want to try. I kind of want to try that with like multiple fits.
Yeah.
Like, I'll try it with their jacket and then try it without the jacket.
Okay, so I've got 2 or 3 more shots. We'll take some pictures and then we could still play around with the digital and stuff like that. And then maybe get some cool slow-mos.
I'd say we go. We should revisit this spot again when it's lighter.
Yeah.
See what we get, because I feel like there'd be a lot of rays coming through here.
Yeah.
Like just maybe an hour or 2 earlier.
Definitely have to revisit this while it's still like falls.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I'm saying like street sweeping's on Thursday, so it looks like. Although it doesn't look like this car's moved for more than.
No, I'm pretty sure they shed really fast.
Or that.
Or at least right now, because
I mean.
Like time of year right now, I think it's just falling really often. Because if this built up over this weekend, you know what I'm saying?
That's what I'm wondering. Is this over a week or do they just not?
Street sweeping's Friday, bro.
Thursday and Friday.
Yeah, it's Sunday, bro.
Yes, we got a week.
That means this all came in the span of like 2 or 3 days.
Oh, that's what too.
That's what I'm saying.
Well, I'm saying we got a week. That means it might be denser later.
Yeah.
Who knows?
So we need to get the golden. So you could pose. Just have that as the backdrop because it's still light right there.
Okay.
Yeah, as opposed to this. So we might have to gather a bunch of leaves here.
Okay.
You'd have to come close, like right there.
Maybe
Like closer. Yeah, like right there.
Okay. Oh, I gotta get.
Oh, I was shooting at f4 the whole time. Damn it. And then look, maybe not that angle. Turn a certain angle. Yeah, right there. Good. A little more. Yeah, go at like a 90 degrees for me. Yeah, like right there. Yeah, you could turn to your body, yeah. Okay, I'm ready whenever. That was pretty dense.
Yeah, I was like, that seems pretty dense.
Well, you got one in your head too. We'll see how that turns out.
Want to try with my phone?
It's still in your head.
That's awkward.
Okay, so that about wraps it up for today. I think we're gonna have to revisit this spot because we weren't able to catch it at kind of the right lighting. Some of the houses were kind of blocking the sunshine from falling in properly, so we didn't get the street illuminated, but rather the trees up above were more golden. But I think overall it was a really cool place to take photos. I think we got a lot of good shots, but we're gonna have to revisit it to get maybe better shots, you know what I mean? So that might go on the list for my kind of portrait, I don't know, places, if I need like a backup place to take pictures or anything like that. Problem is, it's only like this at certain times of the year, so it's not gonna always be like this. I feel like it only lasts kind of fall-y weather for like a week or two or something like that. So alright, so we're back home now. I've gotten a chance to look at the scans, got them developed and scanned them myself, and I've taken a look at the pictures and I want to give a little bit of reflections on my thoughts. I think I had a good amount of mistakes on this actually. Overall, the framing and stuff like that came out pretty well, but I think I missed focus on a good number of portrait shots of my friend that I really shouldn't have been missing focus on. I think I was paying attention more the composition and the shape of where I was pointing the camera at, and I forgot that how precise kind of shooting with this camera is. So I got most of his body in focus in some of the shots, but his face wasn't particularly in focus, and that made the shot kind of a wash for me, in my opinion. Ironically, the best photo of the session was the one taken by my friend Locke. I think the one of me right here looks the best, and I actually really like this photo. He got exactly what I was aiming for, and that was only his second shot shooting with this camera. Kudos to him. Maybe I should just stop this whole thing right now because apparently I be messing up. So overall impressions of the colors for Portra 400, they kind of came out a little more bluer than I was expecting them to. I was hoping they would catch more of the orange of the sunset, but I think it was kind of time and day, we weren't quite getting there. Overall impressions of Portra 400 versus Fuji Pro 400H right now. Again, it might be the location, the time of day, the place and stuff like that, but I'm liking the Fuji Pro 400H colors better. I think I will have to experiment a bit more, but I'm hoping it doesn't stay that way, you know what I mean? Just so I don't have to worry about buying expensive film. But anyways, that's something I'm going to keep in mind for the next photo shoot or wherever we happen to go. I'm going to pay a little bit more attention to make sure I nail focus extremely well. I think I did so well when we went back to Palos Verde, but this time around I kind of slacked off a little bit on that. So my favorite pictures that I took were the last two, ironically, of just the leaves and kind of shapes and stuff like that. Those came out pretty nicely and the colors look pretty good. But anyways, if you like this video, please like the video down below, subscribe to this channel for more photography stuff, and I'll be back with another video in the coming weeks. So thanks for watching as always. I'll see you guys later. Peace.